So, as you can see here, we've added this part in order to more accurately represent the percentages without having to mark every single line. Now, from we can see here, we did some math. We found out the total amount that difference in this case it was 3 centimeters, or around. Actually, no, it was 2.8. And we divided it by 10. Since the whole thing was 10%, we divided it by 10 and figured out each percentage causes this much of a change in increment. Now, if you want to do this to yourself, print out one of these rulers from online and tape it very, very carefully onto your Salinometer. You want to make sure no bubbles are caught, or else it'll skew your results. There it is. Thank you for watching.